DIAC. DIAC means diode alternating current. It is widely used in AC circuits along with TRIAC. A DIAC is used to trigger TRIAC, or triode for alternating current. They are often found in light dimmers, such as those used in domestic lighting. These electronic components are also widely used in starter circuits for fluorescent lamps. Here is the symbol for DIAC. Owing to the fact that DIACs are bidirectional devices, the terminals cannot be labeled as anode and cathode as they are for a diode. Instead, they may be labeled as MT1 and MT2, where MT stands for main terminal. In DIAC, there is a breakover voltage in either direction. To resolve the issues resulting from the non-symmetrical operation on TRIAC, a DIAC is often placed in series with a gate. This device helps make the switching more even for both halves of the cycle. Since the DIAC prevents any gate current flowing until the trigger voltage has reached a certain voltage in either direction, this makes the firing point of the TRIAC more even in both directions. In view of their usefulness, DIACs may often be built into the gate terminal of a TRIAC. Here is the basic structure of DIAC. The terminal MT1 is connected to the N1 and P1 layer, and then there is a junction. And the terminal MT2 is connected to the P2 and N3 layer. The DIAC consists of multiple layers. Based on the biasing of MT1 or MT2 terminals, layers are getting activated and functions accordingly. If MT1 is positive with respect to MT2, the P1 layer will be activated, and there will be a sequence of N2, P2, and N3 since MT2 is negative with respect to MT1. This sequence results to a downward current direction after the breakdown of N2 and P2 junctions. In another case, if M2 is positive with respect to MT1, the P2 layer will be activated, and there will be a sequence of N2, P1, and N1 since MT1 is negative with respect to MT2. This sequence results to an upward current direction after the breakdown of N2 and P1 junctions. DIACs are widely used as electronic components. The chief application of DIACs is for use in conjunction with TRIACs to equalize their switching characteristics. The DIAC-TRIAC combination is very useful for lower power applications, including light dimmers.
So, what is the voltage characteristic of the voltage and current characteristic of a DIAC? So, here. First, the DIAC at a certain voltage will conduct low current until it reaches a voltage breakdown. Then DIAC would conduct current continuously. The same could be said when in the negative cycle. DIAC would conduct very little current, and once it passes through a certain breakdown voltage, it would conduct current in the opposite polarity. So let's compare our characteristic to the structure. So at this voltage, the voltage is still in reverse bias. So a reversed bias diode would not conduct current until it is breakdown. The reverse bias junction is breakdown by a certain voltage, thus becoming forward bias. Then once it becomes forward biased, current will flow more, could be said, in the negative direction. So reverse biased would hinder the current from flowing, like here, and until a breakdown voltage, this reverse bias would break down the junction and current will now flow this direction. So that's how a DIAC works. The symbol for DIACs is this, if you could see in electronic circuits. So thank you.